So variation of density with temperature, that is a rho is equal to m by v. So different substance m1 equal to m2 and substance density rho1 rho2 and volume v1 v2. Rho1 v1 equal to rho2 v2. So v2 is equal to v1 into 1 plus gamma into delta t. So rho1 v1 equal to rho2 into v1 into 1 plus gamma into delta t. So v1 cancel. So rho1 equal to rho2 to 1 plus gamma into delta t. So here rho1 minus rho2 equal to rho2 into gamma into delta t. So that is a delta rho equal to rho2 into gamma into delta t. Okay, that is a variation of the rho with temperature. Next, relation between alpha, beta and gamma. The unit of cube, so 1 unit of cube rising temperature 1 degree centigrade, their initial and final dimensions, that side length 1 centimeter and area 1 centimeter square. The cube unit length 1 unit length and rising temperature 1 degree centigrade and volume 1 centimeter cube. This is initial. After rising, final 1 into 1 plus alpha into 1 into 1 plus beta into 1, that is equal to 1 plus alpha centimeter, 1 plus beta centimeter square, 1 into 1 plus gamma into 1 plus gamma centimeter cube. So first of all, area is equal to 1 plus beta, that is equal to 1 plus alpha whole square. So 1 square plus alpha square plus 2 alpha. So both are cancelled. This is also 0. Alpha negligible. Beta equal to 2 alpha. Beta equal to 2 alpha. Next, volume, that is equal to 1 plus gamma. So 1 plus gamma is equal to 1 plus alpha whole cube. So 1 cube plus alpha cube plus, so 3 alpha into alpha plus 1. So 1 plus alpha cube plus 3 alpha square plus 3 alpha. So this is cancelled. Alpha cube 0, negligible, this value is 0. So gamma equal to 3 alpha. That is equal to alpha is to beta is to gamma, alpha 2 alpha 3 alpha. They cancel. So 1 is to 2 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. The relation between alpha, beta, gamma 1 is to 2 is to 3. Loss of time and gain of time. Loss or gain of time, simple pendulum. Loss or gain of time, simple pendulum. So in pendulum clock, loss of time, temperature also increases. So gain of time, temperature also decreases. So in pendulum clock, loss of time, when gain the temperature, increase the temperature and increase the temperature. Okay, gain the time and decrease the temperature and decrease the temperature. T is equal to 2 pi root L by Z. So T is proportional to root L. So T is equal to L power 1 by 2. So delta T by T equal to 1 by 2 into delta L by L. So delta T equal to 1 by 2 into delta L by L into T. That is delta L by L into T. So delta L equal to delta L by L into T time. So delta T equal to delta L by L. So delta L by L equal to alpha into delta T. So here 1 by 2 into delta L alpha into delta T. So 1 by 2 into delta theta, here delta theta. So alpha into delta theta into T. T is the time, is temperature difference. Time, this is time and temperature difference. Okay. Loss of and gain of time in one day. In one day, 1 by 2 into alpha into delta T into 3600. So 1 hour, 1 day, 1 hour here, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 by 2 into alpha into 86,400, 1 day, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 by 2 alpha delta T into 86,400, 1 hour, 1 by 2 alpha into delta T 3600. So application of linear expansion. Applications. So NVAR is a alloy material, that is a combination of iron, nickel and carbon alloy metal. So NVAR metal used in the watch wheels and simple pendulum and meter scales. Meter scales also used in NVAR steel. Next, so and rails, one gap, maintain the one gap, small gap, both two rails. Okay, their expansion in summer, and so wires in loosely contact in two poles, in between two poles, loosely contact in two poles, between the two poles, their expansion in summer, So here platinum also used in the bulb. Okay, the platinum and glass have same linear expansion. NVAR has the low linear expansions. Okay, that is a application of the thermal expansions.